Can you install older versions of the Parse SDK for testing? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Backfront, and this is Talking to the Architect, and today I'll be answering Hugo Jackson's question. Hugo asked, I used npm to install Parse in its latest version, but I want to use an older version for testing. Can I do that? Hi Hugo, thank you so much for your question, and yes, you can, and it's very easy. All you have to do is to use the npm install parse, put the @ symbol, and then specify the version that you want. This will override the latest version for the version that you specified, and you can use that version for testing. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon! Bye bye!